Sell your knowledge, turning your hobby into profits. Everyone has a hobby of some kind, most people have several. There are people who collect stamps, people who make scrapbooks or create graphic designs with their digital photos, people who love horseback riding, hiking or bicycling. Maybe you do something that you don't even know is considered a hobby. Technically, anything that you engage in for fun that is outside of your occupational activities is considered a hobby, so chances are you have lots of hobbies. Have you ever considered turning one of your hobbies into a business? You may be surprised at how virtually any hobby can be converted to profits, and without tremendous overhead or ridiculously high startup costs. What's even better, you aren't required to have a specific product to sell. In fact, you can make your knowledge your product to sell. If you participate regularly in some sort of hobby, you are bound to know quite a bit about it. If you make scrapbooks of your family and friends, then you probably have extensive knowledge about where to get the best deals on your scrapbooking supplies, and how to create special effects on your photo album pages. Maybe you have magazines and websites that you refer to all the time for inspiration. You have the personal knowledge of what it took to get started in the hobby. For example, scrapbooking requires that you have access to supplies like paper, stickers, glue, photo albums and scrapbooking tools. Someone who has just learned about scrapbooking and thinks they want to start the hobby will need to figure out what they need to get started. You could offer this knowledge as your product to sell. Think people won't buy it? Think again. If you've ever used a search engine to look up information, you know that it's time-consuming to sort through all the data to find exactly what you're looking for. Often, you're given tons of information that doesn't seem all that reliable, and you have to determine what you can use and what you need to avoid. When you make your personal knowledge of a hobby your product to sell, you're helping everyone who wants to find that information without spending hours searching for it. You do not need to have a physical product to sell in order to make a profit. In fact, having an inventory or having to create physical items from materials offers a lower profit margin than selling information. Information products are among the top items to sell for a variety of reasons. They offer a low cost to get started, meaning you start earning a profit after just a couple sales. Informational products include e-books, online courses or email courses, software, audio files, websites, basically anything that can be downloaded from the internet. You aren't required to have an inventory, and you can set up your business model to allow you to earn money by the work other people do for you. So now, maybe you're thinking that this is all well and good, but you still don't have a product to sell. You haven't written an ebook, and maybe your writing skills leave little to be desired. Creating online or email courses are time-consuming, and to create software you need special training. You can still sell your knowledge. Create a package of items that someone would need in order to get started in a particular hobby, and promote it as the everything you need to know about starting the hobby. Contact someone who has written an informative ebook on the topic, find someone else who has made an online video or radio show regarding it, and request permission to sell the items in your package. If they have affiliate programs, you can probably sign up for the affiliate programs and earn commission that way. Include your list of great providers for supplies or information that you refer to regularly, and anything else you know a person needs in order to get started in the hobby. This is a product to sell, selling your knowledge. Once you've earned money from this type of information product business, you can invest in the creation of your own products if you want, or start offering more informational products that allow you to sell your knowledge.